As we stand here and represent Year 13, we're reminiscing on our recent hectic 5 years at St. Joe's, recollecting how much blood, sweat and tears we've shed to get to where we are now. We're roughly a quarter of the 86 girls who have been through our form over the years.
Many describe us as dodos, cheeky, beautiful, conniving, creative, vindictive, extra, the list goes on. But we call ourselves survivors because we made it through, all 22 of us, and it is credited to you all.
A warm welcome to our special guests, Sir Wera Gardner, Nanny Pearl, Korohata, and Tātere. I'm a big fan. Thank you for wanting to share this special night with us all.
Firstly, I would like to acknowledge this extraordinary year as we celebrate our 150th Jubilee. 150 years of holistic education for young Maori women. We congratulate the Sisters of the Mission, the school and the wider supporting community for reaching this huge milestone. For the few girls present at the Jubilee, it was a humbling experience and a privilege to be a part of.
To our joyful group of teachers, we applaud you for your patience and we thank you for your time and self-discipline. Only people with great skills can refrain from swearing and abuse when Atamira falls asleep in class, or the entire 7th form extend the due date of an internal by a term. A special thank you to Mrs. Kuma. Your inspirational quotes every Monday morning and pick-me-up talks have somehow seen us all through this year. Also to all the Year 13 staff and the staff who aren't here tonight, we thank you.
We hope we were not the only Year 9 group who had several whaia atawhai in their first year. But we thank all our whaia atawhai who have cared for us despite the difficulties that came with it. And we would like to personally address Maori ora tonight. Whaia Althea, we admire your stealth phone snapping skills, your knowledge of movies, and we thank you for a memorable Year 10. Nanny Collins, we'll miss your sweet voice in the early morning and your threats for tea employments. And we thank you for ensuring
we are on time and are doing the right thing. Mauri ora, thank you for truly wanting our last year to be the best, but also keeping us in line at the same time. Well, trying to. You always come through with the goods and your positivity radiates within the form on a good day. It's a hard job looking after a band of diverse personalities, but thank you to all the whaia and hostel staff for your efforts and success in doing so.
We would like to wish all of Year 12 the best of luck for next year and encourage you to mahi hard and do what you're told. Do not fail your exams. I repeat, do not fail. Or Miss will take off your kai. Ensure to support and talk to each other. Do not take next year for granted. Lap it up because it goes by so quickly. Next thing you know, you're in our shoes, trying so hard not to look like sooks. Congratulations to Chanel and Jackie, head girls for 2018.
To our whānau, you've been our #1 supporters and have most definitely played a part in who we are today. Not just for your own daughters, but your 21 other whānais. The massive support you have shown us have seen us through, and we thank you so, so much.
Dearest Dear Miss Kingy, we've definitely been through many ups and downs, but we understand that you've done everything for us out of love, hopefully. We gratefully thank you for your guidance and for helping us build a great wall of resilience. But it's time to let us go now, miss. Please don't miss us. We are forever grateful. And I think that's it. Kia ora.
Our next song we'll be doing is one we performed at Wānanga Weekend, and it's a little take on 10 guitars. And it's just persuading our whānau and our teachers that yes, we will mahi hard at university next year. Thank you.
As long as you've got all your fathers there.